Welcome back to American AI Masterclass. If you are a student, this video is going to completely change the way you study, research, and write. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to save hours of study time, write better essays, and prepare for exams like never before. Let us get started. Use case number 1 is research. Watch me prompt ChatGPT with a clear brief and deliverables. I am a university student studying environmental science. I need to research the causes and effects of ocean pollution for a 2,000-word essay. Give me a comprehensive overview, including the main causes, environmental effects, economic impacts, and current solutions being implemented worldwide. Include relevant statistics and cite the type of sources I should look for. Instead of hours of hunting, you get a structured overview instantly. Causes, effects, impacts, solutions, plus source types. Use this as your starting framework. Then verify with textbooks, peer-reviewed journals, and reputable reports. Next, essay structure. Use case 2, structure your essay like a pro. I am writing a 2,000-word university essay on the impact of social media on mental health in teenagers. Help me create a detailed essay outline with an introduction, 5 main body paragraphs each with a clear argument and supporting points, and a conclusion. Use formal academic language. See the logical flow, intro, 5 body sections with arguments, then a conclusion. Feed it your topic, word count, and key angles. This guides your writing. ChatGPT assists, you write. Turn each bullet into a paragraph, add citations, and integrate your own analysis. Make hard topics simple. Use case 3, simplify any concept. I am a first-year student struggling to understand quantum mechanics. Explain the concept of quantum superposition to me as if I am completely new to physics. Use a simple real-life analogy and avoid technical jargon. Notice the plain English explanation with an everyday analogy that clicks. Ask for step-by-step pictures or more analogies until it sticks. It's like a 24/7 tutor. Now, exam prep. Use case 4, targeted exam prep. I have a university exam on marketing fundamentals in 2 weeks. Create a comprehensive study plan for me covering the most important topics. Then give me 20 practice exam questions with detailed model answers. Here's a 2-week plan. Core concepts scheduled by day with focus areas. Plus 20 practice questions with model answers to test and correct yourself. Miss one? Ask for a simpler explanation or another example until you nail it. Finally, polish your writing. Use case 5, instant proofreading. Please proofread the following paragraph from my essay and improve it. Fix any grammar errors, improve the sentence structure, make the language more academic, and suggest where I could add more detail. Here is the paragraph. Social media has become very popular among teenagers, and many young people use it every day to connect with friends and share their lives online. See the dramatic rewrite, clean grammar, tighter sentences, academic tone. Use suggestions to add detail and elevate clarity while keeping your original ideas. Let's recap. Here are all 5 student use cases: deep research, essay structure, understanding complex topics, exam preparation, and proofreading. All 5 prompt templates are in the description. Copy them and start using them right now. Whether you are in high school, college, or university, ChatGPT is genuinely the most powerful study tool available to students today. Use it wisely, use it ethically, and use it to become a better learner. All the prompt templates from this video are in the description below. Just scroll down and copy-paste them immediately. In our next lesson, I will show business owners exactly how to use ChatGPT to save time, grow their business, and automate their work. Subscribe to American AI Masterclass right now. Hit that bell notification, and I will see you in the very next lesson. Tap subscribe and watch ChatGPT for business owners. Save time, grow, and automate in 2026.